बुधवारा जाल्ले मंत्रिमंडळाच्या बसकेत चिंबला येवपा आशिल्ल्या युनिटी मॉलाच्या कामाची निविदा काडपाक मंजुरी दिल्ली. मात युनिटी मॉल जंय येता थंय तळें आसा. तळ्या कुशीक हो प्रकल्प नाका. हो प्रकल्प हांगासर जालो जाल्यार तळयेंतली जैव विविधताय नश्ट जातली, तशेंच ग्राउंड वॉटर दूषित जातले असो हुस्को चिंबलाच्या लोकांनी उक्तायलो.
Construction of the Unity Mall Goa, Chimbel, haji order आज दिली work advisory board आसली.
In the past few years, we have fought a very big andolan for the IT park, and that has been completely put off for the moment. And now we hear the Unity Mall, which is going to come there, and the tallest building in Goa coming up there is going to destroy our biodiversity. And all the water aquifers at the Kanaba Plateau are going to be polluted with all the sewage water which is going to seep into the aquifers.
We are not against the Unity Mall. We are against the place it is proposed to be constructed at. That is next to the Chimbel Lake. So basically it is just by the side of the buffer zone and one towards the influential zone. What is in the influential zone is the aquifers. What are the aquifers? They are basically what soak the water and then send it to the ground. So if you build a Unity Mall over there, basically the groundwater will get polluted. So that's what we don't want.
मात कोणी तुमची तोकली वापरिना बाबा. तुम्ही ते एक्युफायर्स डिस्ट्रॉय करता म्हणून ती स्पॉन्जीस तेच तर तुम्ही डिस्ट्रॉय करीत जाल्यार ते लेकान उदक खंयचे येतले. तुमकडेन सारकी तेजी एनवायरमेंट क्लियरन्स सर्टिफिकेट ना तरी तुम्ही वर्क ऑर्डर दिता. तेन्ना हांव मागता आमच्या सरकारा लागीं असले प्रोजेक्ट आमकां गरज ना.
We've been going through this for a very long time. It started with the IT park and it keeps on going. Today it's the Unity Mall and Prasashan Bhavan. Why do they all want to come to Chimbel? And that too near the lake? Is that the right place? We're not against all these things, but it's basically the place they are looking at. The wrong place. It's a place which has the aquifers, which is going to get the water into that lake and to our village. You're spoiling it all. It's going to pollute this place. Please get off this place.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर रिपोर्टर गौरेश गांवकर.